We're gonna show Kyle what it's like to have a baby.
Yeah, these are way down low. Okay. Would you put that on?
3.
Holy it's in my belly button. Somebody call the doctor already. Oh, is that funny? Oh, here it comes. I turned it down.
It's only a 4. Oh my god.
In 3, 2, 1.
So that's deep. Look, you like this.
Dennis!
The pieces